guys, my name is Evelyn Kim, and for today's video we'll be going over Wylock's 3rd grade math curriculum. Topics we'll be going to discuss in today's video includes inequalities, multiplication, division, and word problems. Let's get started with the first topic, inequalities. Well, before we get started, let's identify the inequality signs. We know that this indicates the greater than sign, this represents the less than sign, and this represents our equal sign. Let's take this into consideration and apply it to our problems. Number 1, they give us two numbers, 2 and 3. Obviously, we know that 3 is greater than 2, so we put the greater than sign. How can we double check? 3 minus 2 equals 1. 3 is 1 unit greater than 2, therefore 2 is less than 3. Number 2, 50 and 10. We obviously know that 50 is greater than 10, therefore we put the greater than sign. 50 minus 10 equals 40, therefore 50 is 40 units greater than 10, therefore we use the greater than sign for number 2. Number 3, 16 and 65. Well, we know that 16 is less than 65 because 65 is much greater than 16, and we could double check that by subtracting 65 minus 16. We should get 9 and we should get 49. 65 is 49 units greater than 16, therefore 16 is less than 65. Number 7, 16 and 9. Well, we know that 16 is much greater than 9, so we put the greater than sign. 16 is greater than 9. Number 8, 5 and 29. Well, 29 is a 2-digit number and 5 is a 1-digit number, therefore we know that 5 is less than 29. Lastly, 43 and 43. Well, they're the same numbers with the same digits, therefore we know that 43 is equal to 43. Our second topic is division, and it's asking us to divide the numbers below. Number 1, they give us the equation 15 divided by 3. Well, we know that 5 times 3 equals 15. 3 times 5 equals 15. Therefore, 15 divided by 5 should equal 3. Because 3 and 5 are both factors multiplied together to get 15. Number 2, 45 divided by 5. Well, we know that 5 times 9 equals 45, and 9 times 5 equals 45, and 45 divided by 9 equals 5. All of these equations are somewhat related to each other, and they represent the factor family. Therefore, 45 divided by 5 should equal 9, because 5 times 9 equals 45, 9 times 5 equals 45, and 45 divided by 9 equals 5. Therefore, 45 divided by 5 equals 9. 20 divided by 10. 20 divided by 10. We could set up our equation. 10 goes into 20 2 times, because 10 plus 10 equals 20. Therefore, 20 divided by 10 should equal 2. Number 12, 30 divided by 5. Well, we know that 5 times 6 equals 30, because 5 goes into 36 times. 6 times 5 equals 30, and 30 divided by 6 equals 5. Therefore, 30 divided by 5 should equal 6. Our third topic is multiplication, and it's asking us to multiply the numbers below. They give us the equation 3 times 3 for number 1. 3 times 3 can also be referred as 3 groups of 3. Let's draw it out. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. We now have a total of 3 groups of 3 circles each. Now we add it all together to find our final answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We now have a total of 9 circles. Therefore, 3 times 3, or 3 groups of 3, equals 9. Let's look at number 11. 4 times 6. 4 times 6 can also be referred as 4 groups of 6. Let's draw it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We now have a total of 4 groups of 6 circles. Now, let's add it all together to find our final answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Our final answer is 24, and 4 times 6 equals 24. Our last topic is word problems, and it's asking us to solve the problems below. Number 1, Susie has 20 hairpins. She gives 6 away to her friends, loses 2, and buys 7 more. How many hairpins does she have now? The key words loses and buys indicates that this is a two-step problem. So let's start off with how much Susie has after she loses 2 hair clips. Therefore, we have to subtract the principal amount, which is 20 hairpins, by actually, it's a 3-step problem because she also gives away 6 to her friend. So we get the principal amount, which is 20, minus 6, which should equal 2 becomes a 1, 0 becomes a 10, 10 minus 6 equals 4, we bring down to 1. Susie has a total of 14 hairpins after giving 6 away to her friend. Then she loses 2, which is the second part of the problem. So we need to subtract 2 from her remaining amount. Therefore, we subtract 14 minus 2, which equals 4 minus 2 equals 2. We bring down the 1. Susie has a total of 12 hair clips after giving away 6 and losing 2. However, she buys 7 more. Therefore, we need to add 7 to our pre-existing amount of hair clips. 12 plus 7. 7 plus 2 equals 9. We bring down the 1. We have a total of 19. Susie has a total of 19 hairpins after giving 6 away to her friend, losing 2, and buying 7 more. Number 2, there are a total of 50 states in the United States. Johnny has been to 29 of them. How many states has he not been to yet? In order to determine how many states he has not been to, we need to subtract 29 from 50 to find the remaining number of states. 50 minus 29. We can't subtract 0 from 9, so we have to borrow from the tens place. 5 becomes a 4, 0 becomes a 10, 10 minus 9 equals 1, and 4 minus 2 equals 2, and our final answer is 21. Johnny has been to 29 states out of the 50 states and has not been to 21 states. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope you have a wonderful day.